Hi there, I'm Graham Moore, and I just want to take a couple of minutes of your time now to talk to you about a program that I'm delivering with Eaton Institute in Ramadan. A program? Yeah, well, it's a 3-day virtual workshop, online, live, during Ramadan, and of course we're observing Ramadan hours. This 3-day program is called How to Lead and Manage for Transformational Business Results. Big title, big results. How to lead and manage for transformational business results. We want managers to be better at what they're doing in most cases. I will be showing you in this program some elements of leading and managing that you will not have seen before. I guarantee that. These get great results. Let me give you a quick example. I'll show you in this program how you can create a team of choice in 3 months. I don't care how many team members you have, whether it's 8 or 15. You can create a team of choice. That means they will love what they're doing and they'll love being there and they will be very productive. Team of choice. I'll also share with you one little behaviour that managers should do that most of them don't. It's called setting the ground rules. Behaviour? Well, it's actually a process that takes about 15 minutes. 15 minutes. Most managers don't do this. And when you do it, you'll relieve any stress that you might have. You will be more productive and so will the team members. Setting the ground rules. Have you heard about having difficult conversations? You need to have a difficult conversation with your team. I will show you how to have easy conversations and get great results. But of course there's more. 3 days, Ramadan hours, the 19th, 20th and 21st of April. But I need you to register and register soon because we can't take everybody. This has got to be a limited number of people so that I can work with you to get great results. I've been doing this for a long time, 25 years. I think I'm pretty good. Well, I want you to find out that when you attend this workshop, how to lead and manage for transformational business results. Now, how about you go and register?